Hello and welcome again. In the previous video, we talked about explicit range checking and implicit range checking. And now we'll talk about comparing the data types and what are the common errors which the beginners programmer they made. So let's see. So we have a variable, my string, that is Tuesday. And now we are comparing here with the Tuesday. So let's see if my string, which is equal to Tuesday, here keep in mind Tuesday. T is capital, okay? And I'm trying to check my string is equal to. So this is equal sign. This is assignment statement and this is equal sign. That means I'm trying to compare two values. What are the two values? I'm comparing with Tuesday. Okay. Um, and this is small t. So what should we get the answer? Let's try that and we'll see that because the answer is false. Why? Because this T capital and this T, they are two different T's, two different values. So that is why answer is false. Because in Python is a case sensitive statement. So Tuesday capital T is not equal to the Tuesday with a small t. They are different. Okay. So this is the common error which programmers they made. So what is the best way to fix this kind of issue? So if you are checking with a small, make sure that your my string, okay, my string dot lower. So you can use the lower function. Whatever is the value, whether it's a lowercase or uppercase or total uppercase, it will convert into the lowercase and then you are comparing with the lowercase value. Okay. So that is why we can say, so it will convert everything in the my string to the lowercase and then it will compare and then you see, yeah, this is true now. So this becomes a lower Tuesday and we are comparing with the lower Tuesday, that is fine. Now imagine if I say, okay, this Tuesday is my upper Tuesday, uppercase. Uh, then I can try something like that. So I'm saying my string, which is, capital small. So this will be converted to all uppercase and we are comparing with uppercase. The answer should be true. So let's try that. You see here. So we are comparing with the uppercase Tuesday and the answer is true. So this is the small mistake which the beginner programmer makes. So you have to be careful. Now we are comparing the two numbers. Okay. So for example, 5 is less than 2. 5 is less than 2. The condition is false. So I should get false. Okay. So yeah, 5 is not less than 2. That is why the result is false. Um, okay. We are comparing number with the alphabet or string. Is it a good idea? Um, I don't think so that it's a good idea to compare the number with the string. You see, you got a type error. So this is not supported in that one. So you cannot compare number with the alphabets. So you get type errors. So keep in mind, huh? So you cannot compare number with the letters in the Python. So this is another example that we have A is 1 and B is uh, string A, and we are comparing A is bigger than B, so you will get the type error. Okay. Um, okay, string comparison. Yes, it is possible that you can compare string with the string with another string. Huh? So what I'm going to say is, for example, we have A, which is equal to ABC. Sorry. And then we have a B variable that is equal to capital ABC. Okay. And if I compare, if A is bigger than B, okay, then print true. Else print false. So now please tell me what will be the answer. Is it true or false? Yes, make a guess. Make a guess. So small ABC is always higher value than capital ABC because capital A start from 65 and the small a start from 97, you know, and then as a numeric value. So this will always be higher than this one. So the result should be true. Yeah, small ABC is greater than capital ABC. The answer is true. Um, so, okay, let's try. Let's try if it is um, small a is bigger than capital A. True. Okay. So, yeah. Now we are comparing a list. Okay. So let's try to compare a list. We have a list. Okay. List is like we have one, two, three. And then we have a B list that is like 1, comma 3, comma 2. And if I'm comparing A list is equal to B, if it is true, if it is okay, then we'll get true, otherwise we'll print false. So in this case, A is 1, 2, 3. Uh, and this is 1, 3, 2. They are not equal, you know. As soon as it will come here for the checking, it will say, no, this is not equal. So it will be false. So let's run it. Let me save the program. And now I can run it and I get false. Okay. Uh, because 1, 2, 3 is not same as 1, 3, 2 because the order is different. Huh? The order is different. That's why. Okay, so we have like dictionary now. So let's try the dictionary now. So dictionary always comes in this curly brackets and it has a key and pair value. So the key is key comma value. Huh? So key comma value. So key is 102 and the course is ICS 104. Key is 101. Course is ICS 236. Okay. I can say both are equal, and then I say both are not equal. Both are not equal. Now let's see. So what will happen? Um, Dictionaries are only equal if they have the same key and the value. Okay? If they have the same key and the value, then they are equal. Otherwise, they are not equal. So let's run it. Ah, both are not equal. So can I try something like that? Oh, the B is also ICS 104 and the B key is also 102. Let's try that. Ah, both are equal. Okay, let's try another one. This is 108. Okay, and this is 102. The keys are same, but the value, one of the value is different. Let's try that. Both are not equal. So basically, it is checking the both, the keys and the value, the keys and the value of the both. If both are same, then it will say, otherwise they say it will say equal, otherwise it will say not equal. So now we are looking for sets. So you can compare the set with equal sign and not equal sign. Okay. You can also even the dictionaries you can compare with the equal sign and not equal sign. Same as list, you can compare with equal sign and not equal sign. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so let's talk about the set. So we have a set of 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have a set of 1, 2, 3. And then we have another set B is 0, 2, 3. And now we are checking if A is bigger than B. Okay, so I'll say A is bigger than B. Otherwise, A is not bigger than B. Huh? A is not bigger than B. So let's clear the screen and run it. Oh, A is not bigger than B. How come? A is bigger than B. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 0, 2, 3. So it should be bigger than B. Huh? How come it says that it's not bigger than B? A is bigger than B because 1 is bigger. Oh, no, sorry, I made mistake. This is set. It has to be in a set format, huh? Actually, it is not a set, it is tuple, right? It is a tuple. Tuple means is a record. So that also has the sign. So A is bigger than B, huh? So if it is a tuple, then um, these are tuples, not set, huh? These are tuple, not set. So, and tuple always comes in this one. The set is always with the curly brackets, huh? Set is something like that. A is equal to set is something like that. 1 comma 2 comma 3, yeah? Not the, so this is not a set. This is tuple. Tuples are compared with equal sign and not equal sign. So if you see that when it compares one by one, the one is bigger than 0. That is why it says, okay, and rest are same. So that's why it comes to the A is bigger than 0. So if I'm having something like 2, 2, 3, so for sure in this case, B is bigger. So I should say A is not bigger than B, huh? A is not bigger than B. So this is not a set, this is a tuple. Okay. And by the way, you can um, the tuples can be compared. The tuples can be compared um, with less than, greater than, equal, not equal sign. The sets are only compared with equal and not equal. Now let's try. Let's try the set. Let's see if the next screen is for the set. Yeah, this is the set. Mm, I have to say set are compared with this one only. Okay. Whereas tuples are compared with equal sign, not equal sign, okay, and then less than and greater than, like that. Sorry, greater than. So this is the definition. Now on the next screen, what will happen is we will compare the sets. We are not comparing the set here. We are comparing the lists. Okay. Okay, let's try to compare the list. We have a list 1, comma 2, comma 3, and then we have another list that is string, and see if we can compare. So if A is bigger than or equal to B, then I can say A is bigger. Otherwise, I can say A is not bigger. Let's try. Oh, error messages, right? Because this is not supported by the instance integer and string. Okay, so one list is integer, okay, and the other list contains string. So Python cannot compare numbers with a string using less than or greater than or less than equal to sign. So only compare list when they have the same data types inside. So if I say, now if I compare, so it will say, yeah, it is equal. So A is equal to B. And then I can say A is not equal to B. Okay. Well, I can say bigger and equal, not bigger and equal, like that. So if I run again, A is bigger and equal to B. You see that? Because this is equal, so that's why it comes to this part. We do have common branching errors. Okay. What are the common mistakes that we can make? Uh, Using the wrong symbols. Huh? Oh, if I say something like that, if I say instead of saying less greater than equal to, if I say equal greater than sign, oh, this is a problem. So if I go up there, I must get some error message. Huh? He says, what is this? I cannot understand. Or if it is like not equal to, so we say not equal to like that. Let's try this one. This is okay. Uh, but if I say something equal not, oh, this is the problem. I should get some error message. So yeah, so on instead of not equal in some programming language, this is a not equal sign. Okay, but this is not available in Python, so that is why you get error message for this one as well. So yeah, so you have to be careful when you are writing all these signs. Huh? And by the way, uh, this is this is assignment, not the equal sign. So if you try that, you're getting the assignment problem. What is this? He says, so you have to use this is not equal, this is equal sign. So if I just go up there and I run the program, I got the equal sign here. So you have to always use the correct operators. Huh? Thank you very much and hope to see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.